Hello everyone, welcome to Module 2 of our Research and Publication Ethics course. In Module 1, we explored philosophy and ethics in a general sense. Now, we move to their practical application in research and publication. Our first topic in this module is Introduction to Research Ethics. This will give us the foundation for understanding integrity, honesty and responsibility in academic work. Let's begin with a simple question. Why do we need ethics in research? Research is about creating a new knowledge, but knowledge is powerful. It can be used for good or it can be misused. A medical breakthrough can save millions of lives, but falsified researcher can endanger those same lives. A discovery in technology can improve society, but the same technology can be misused for harm. That's why research cannot be separated from ethics. Without ethical standards, research loses its credibility, trust, and purpose. Research ethics can be defined as the set of principles and guidelines that govern how research should be conducted responsibly, honestly, and for the benefit of society. In simple words, research ethics is about doing research the right way for the right reasons. The core principles of research ethics. These principles of research ethics have been emphasized in different guidelines worldwide. From the Nuremberg Code after World War II to the Belmont Report in the United States and international standards like Helsinki Declaration. The core principles are honesty, report data truthfully without fabrication or falsification. Next is integrity, be consistent, transparent and fair throughout the research. Third one is objectivity, avoid bias in methods, analysis and interpretation. Respect for participants, protect the rights, dignity and privacy of human subjects. Non-maleficence, do no harm. Research should never cause unnecessary injury. Beneficence, research should maximize benefits to society. Justice, benefits and burdens of the research should be fairly distributed. Accountability, researchers must take responsibility for their actions. These principles are not just rules, they are values that protect both knowledge and society. To understand the importance of ethics, let's look at what happens when it is ignored. Syphilis, Tuskegee and Syphilis study in 1932 to 1972 USA. Hundreds of African American men were denied treatment in syphilis just to study disease progression. This violated human rights and caused great suffering. Fake cloning research 2005 in South Korea. Researcher Wang Wu Shuk falsified data about stem cell cloning. It damaged trust in science globally. Plagiarism cases. Many academic careers have been destroyed because of copying others' work without acknowledgement. These cases remind us that unethical research not only harms individuals but also damages the credibility of the entire academic community. Why? Research ethics matters for students and scholars. For you, as a student or researcher, ethics matters because it protects your reputation, it ensures your work contributes to the society, it builds trust with colleagues and institutions and the public, it helps avoid misconduct that could end your career. In short, ethics is not a burden but a foundation for success in research. Around the world, there are so many guidelines for the research ethics. Research ethics is supported by laws, courts and institutions. Universities have institutional review board, that is called IRB or ethics committee, that approve research involving human or animal subjects. Journals have strict guidelines on plagiarism, data falsification and authorship. Global organizations like UNESCO, WHO promote ethical standards across countries. So, when you do research, you are part of a global community committed to honesty and responsibility. Let's recap today's session. Research ethics ensures knowledge is created responsibly and honestly. Core principles include honesty, integrity, respect, beneficence, and justice. Violations of research ethics like falsification or plagiarism harm both individuals and society. Ethical standards are enforced by institutions and international guidelines. In our next topic, we will explore research integrity, what it means to be a responsible researcher, and how integrity protects both your career and society. Thank you for joining me in this introduction to research ethics. And the reflection question, what do you think about institutional review board or ethics committee? And if you whether your institution has this body, what type of work they do, kindly comment on the comment, and I will meet you in the next video. Bye-bye.